Yo, what is up guys? It is NiceKicksShop and welcome back to another episode of UA Unboxings. As you guys know, in these type of videos, all I do is unbox these UAs, show them off to you guys. I'll have all the information for this pair in the description down below, so make sure you check that out. And without further ado, let's get into unboxing these UAs. So as you can see by obviously the box and the thumbnail when you clicked on it, there's going to be a pair of the Travis Scott Fragment lows. Looking pretty solid. I'll have all the information for this pair, including the website and a coupon code in the description, so make sure you check that out. But yeah, so here's the actual box. Came with the outside layer that has the Fragment design, Nike Air, both Cactus Jacks, and then the Air Jordan logo. Going off to the side, here's the actual size tag. Got a 10.5, says Air Jordan 1 low, sail military blue black. Overall, the especially has the MSRP right there. Overall, the size tag and box looking pretty solid. Let me actually take this out of this little thing right here. So yeah, as you can see, looks pretty solid. The material itself is pretty good, especially back here where it like goes up. So yeah, overall looking pretty good. Let me move this out of the way real quick. So yeah, here's the actual box, the cream colorway, the like sail cream, whatever color with the blue Nike. So actually taking this out, as you can see, has the swoosh and then the actual swoosh right there. Overall looking pretty normal. And then here's the actual paper. So it's the pink paper. I believe this is the correct color. Has the Air Jordan Fragment, both Cactus Jack logos, and then the Nike Air. Overall looking pretty solid. Oh, as well as the Fragment design, by the way. Overall the color itself and the material of the actual paper feel very correct, so that's a pretty good start. So yeah, opening this up, as you can see, here it is. So this is the Fragment Jordan 1 Low Travis Scott. Overall, love this colorway, love the blue, love the black, the white. Overall, all of it just really matches well together. Also has the Fragment design as well, which just adds that with that on the back right there. But let me actually get both of the shoes out real quick. And then I'll move the box out of the way so I can show you guys the shoes in greater detail. So moving this box just right over here. I'll put this shoe right here. Actually, I'll put this one right here. First thing I'll actually do is show you the laces real quick. So it comes with the sail colorway, the cream colorway laces, as well as pink, black, and blue. So overall, yeah, pretty nice variety options right there. So let's go over the shoes. So here's the outside, has the big, huge cream colorway backward swoosh for the Travis Scott, obviously looking pretty solid. Has the black in the top up here with the blue on the outside. Here's the blue interior as well. Has the Cactus Jack logo on the Nike Air tongue right there, looking pretty solid. So yeah, here's a little bit closer of a look right there, as you can see, looking pretty solid. Here's the actual back, has the Fragment logo as well as the Air Jordan logo on the back right here. Overall, the materials are feeling really solid as well, so that's a pretty good sign. Going to the inside, there's obviously the swoosh right here. There's this little barcode down here, the tooling code as well right there, which looks pretty spot on, which is pretty awesome, as well as the Cactus Jack white reflective underneath the actual swoosh on the inside. That's pretty cool. And then here's the actual top view, the normal leather right here on the actual toe box, and then obviously the tongue like I showed you before. So yeah, here's the actual bottom as well with the blue and then the Nike right there. So overall, looking pretty solid, as you can obviously tell. I'll show you guys the other one real quick as well, which is pretty cool. So yeah, here's this one. As you can see, just the same as the last one, except this one has the Cactus Jack on the back with the Cactus Jack logo, and then I believe the Fragment design on the tongue right there. And then obviously the tooling coating inside. So yeah, overall, pretty solid pair. Would definitely recommend these. I will have all the information for this pair in the description down below, so make sure you check that out. There'll be their website, there will be contact information as well as a coupon code, so you can save some money after order, so make sure you do that. But yeah guys, it's basically going to be the end of today's video. Like I said, leave a like and subscribe to my channel down below. All the information for this pair will be in the description down below, so make sure you check that out. Make sure you at checkout you use my coupon code, which will be in the description. Make sure you use that, save some money after order. But yeah guys, it's going to be the end of today's video, so I hope you have an amazing rest of your day, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of UA Unboxings. Peace.